Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add guests to a Google Calendar event. So let's say you click on a date and you want to create the event. Give it a title, time, determine the type of event it is, whatever. All right, so if you go down right about to the middle of this window, Add Guests, what this allows you to do is identify users by their email address or maybe by name, as long as they are in the system, so to speak. And then you can include them on this event if this event they need to be at, should consider being at, it's important for them, it's a committee they're on, whatever. So if I do this, all right, now that person is included on the event, and I can even set their permissions. All right, can I hide that this person is there? Can I make it optional for them? Can I remove them? You know, it was a mistake, I didn't need to add you. And then I can also grant them permissions for this particular event. Right now, they would be able to see the guest list. That would just mean any other people who've been included on this event. If I click on Invite Others, they can then look at this and say, well, you know who would be good to have at this meeting, so-and-so, and then they can invite that person themselves. Or even make changes to the event, and that would include guests and whatnot. Change the date, change the time. Maybe you're trying to schedule an event with your boss, but your boss looks at this and says that's a bad time. Tell you what, we'll reschedule for a different date and time, and you don't really have the clout to argue about it, so maybe they get to change the event. But these events are meant to be collaborative. That's what Google is about. So if you need to add people to an event, there are easy ways to do that.